Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can landscape one page only in WPS application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already prepared 3 pages, and for example, I'm going to landscape the page 1 only. If you want to landscape only one page guys, we can use page break. You can go to the insert menu and select the breaks menu. And choose this one, next page section break. Okay, and I'm going to landscape this page 1. Wait, go to the page layout and select the orientation. Okay, as you can see that I have already landscaped this page 1 only, and I'm going to landscape only page 2, for example. So I'm going to add more page break to this page. Go to insert, select breaks, and next page section break. And I'm going to let me landscape it, but let delete this page. Okay, and let's try it guys. I'm going to go to the page layout and then select landscape. Okay, done. Wait, let me delete this one. Okay, done. For the page 2, only page 2 is landscape. Okay guys, and that's all the way to landscape one page in WPS application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.